Dear students, today follow continuation, class continuation. See here, yesterday already explained about ideal statement and how to use the ideal statement in various problems. Here one more problem. Here one more problem is explained. Will be explained by your teacher. Now listen. The square of any positive integer. The square of any positive integer is of the form 3p or 3p plus 1 or 3p plus 2. Show that. Question is listen. Students carefully listen about question. So show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3p or 3p plus 1 or 3p plus 2. That is your question. So how do you prove this? Applying DDL. By applying DDL. So here once again question, carefully listen. So square of any positive integer. Square of any positive integer is of the form 3p or 3p plus 1 or 3p plus 2. That is show that. So first let it be, let a be a positive integer. A positive integer. Let a will be a positive integer. By ideal, a is equal to b2 plus r form. Here that is a is equal to b is 3. 3q plus r. 3q plus r. 0 less than or less than 3. Here 0 less than or equal to or less than b is 3 here. Because show that any square of positive integer is of the form 3p or 3p plus 1 or 3p plus 2. That means 3 multiple plus 1, 3 multiple plus 2. That's why 3. b is 3 only. b is 3 only. A is any positive integer. B is 3. A is equal to 3. BQ and 3Q plus R. But R is less than B always according to applying DDL statement. R is less than B. So that's why 0 less than or equal to R or less than 3. Then possible reminders are less than 3 are what? 0, 1, 2 only. So now a is, so in our place keep these reminders. First a is equal to 3q or 0k, then 3q, that is 3q, or 1 keep in our place, then that is 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2, 3q plus 2. This is A. A is positive integer here. A positive integer is of the form 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. But we can prove here the square of positive integer in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1 or 3p plus 2. 3p plus 2. See here. This is only integers, positive integers. Now a square. A square is equal to 3q whole square. 3q whole square. That is equal to what? 3 square is 9, q also square, 9q square that is. 9q square is equal to 3 common, possible or not, we take 3 common in this. 3 divides 3 times and q square. 3 into 3q square. Express this in the form of 3 into 3q square. Take 3 only common. So this is equal to now 3p form. 3p form. Since p is equal to 3q square. P is equal to, this is, let it be p, then this is in the form of 3p. Similarly, a square is equal to the second one, 3q plus 1, a whole square. Now take a is another number, 3q plus 1 and square by it. That is equal to, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square expansion by it. A plus b whole square expansion will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. Like that right there. A square is 9q square. 3q whole square, 9q square. Plus 2ab form is 2 3s are 6q, 6q ones 6q. This is 2ab form. 2 into 3q into 1. 2 3 6 6q, 6q ones 6q. Plus b square is 1 square 1. So this is expansion of 3q plus 1. A plus b whole square expansion of 3q plus 1 whole square equivalent to 9q square plus 6q plus 1. Here we can apply to write this expansion a plus b whole square formula. You know very well, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Like that here 3q plus 1 whole square equal to 9q square plus 6q plus 1. First to take two terms. In this what is the take only 3 common. 3 common. 3 3s 9q square. 3 divides this 3q square times 3 divides this 2q times plus 1. This is equal to, this is let it be p. Then this is 3p plus 1. Since p is equal to 3q square plus 2. This within bracket quotient form is let it be p. P is some integer. Then 3p plus 1. Like that, third one. A square equal to, third term is what? 3q plus 2. 3q plus 2 whole square. That is equal to 9q square. You know a square form. 3q square is 9q square. Plus 2ab form. 2 3 6q, 6q 2s. 12q. 2 square is 4. Then what is the maximum common in all the three? This is expressed as 3 plus 1. 9q square plus 12q plus this is 3 plus 1. So in this 3 what is maximum common? 3. 3 common to it. 3 divides 3q square times here plus 3 4s are 12q quotient side plus 3 1s 3 plus 1. So is it right? Here 4 expressed as 3 plus 1, then 9q square plus 3q plus 3. In this 3 only 3 common to it. Right quotient within bracket plus 1. So this is let it be p now. This is 3p. Once again, dear students, listen. Show that square of any positive integer is of the form 3p or 3p plus 1. 3p or 3p plus 1. Let it be. A will be a positive integer. Then a is equal to by EDL, applying EDL, a is equal to bq plus or where 0 less than or equal to or less than b. So that is 3q. b is 3 here. 3q plus r. Because show that 3p or 3p plus 1. In this b is 3. b is 3. That's why a is equal to 3q plus r is less than b and less than 3. That is possible reminders are, then possible reminders are 0, 1, 2. So they are EDL. Applying EDL, a is equal to 3q plus r, 0 less than or equal to or less than 3. That means less than 3, the remainder positive reminders are less than 3, 0, 1, 2. So a is equal to 3q, a is equal to 3q plus 1, reminders keep in your place. So a is equal to 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. So this is only positive integer. Now take square of the positive integer. A square is equal to 3q whole square. That is 9q square. 9q square, 3 only common to it in it. Only 3. 3 divides 3q square times. So this 3q square let it be p some integer. Then 3 into p, 3p form. So another number also like that, 3q plus 1. A square is equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. That is equal to 9q square plus 6q plus 1. This is a plus b whole square expansion. According to a plus b whole square expansion, we can write this. Then in these first two terms, maximum common 320. 3 divides this 3q square plus 3 divides 6q 2q times plus 1. This within bracket 3q square plus 2q, this quotient let it be p some integer. Then 3p plus 1 form. Like that third number also like that. A is equal to a square is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. So that expansion is 9q square plus 12q plus 4. It is according to a plus b whole square expansion. So 4 expressed as 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 expressed as sum of the two terms 3 plus 1. So 9q square plus 12q plus 3. In these 3, what is the maximum common? 3. 3 divides 3q square. 3 4s are 12q. 3 1 is 3. The remaining is plus 1. So this within bracket this value is some integer p. Let it be some integer p. That is equal to then 3 into p plus 1. 3p plus 1. Finally, you can understand the square of any positive integer of the form 3p or 3p plus 1 or 3p or 3p plus 1. That's all. Do you understand, student? So, practice. Do practice this problem. Next one. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic said any composite number can be expressed as the product of only primes. Only primes. And this factorization will be unique apart from the order of appearance of prime factors. So that is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Once again listen. Every composite number can be expressed as the product of prime factors. And this factorization is unique and apart of the order of appearance of prime factors. So that is called fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Prime factorization. Example, listen. Every composite number, can be expressed in the form of can be written product of primes only. And this factorization is unique. This factorization is unique. Apart of the order of primes. See here, every composite number can be expressed as the product of primes only, and this factorization is unique apart of the order of primes. See here, 48. 48 is what? Prime factorization to it, 48. 48. 2 divides 24 times. 2 divides 12 times. 2 divides 6 times. 2 divides 3 times. See here, these are primes are not all prime factors. Now 48 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is shortly, these are equal factors. Indices form is 2 to the power of 4 into 3. So this is prime factorization of any composite number. So like that, so many composite numbers we can write in this prime factorization method, because every composite we can write as product of only primes. Occurrence of primes order is in any way, but it is unique. Next, third is 52. 52 is what, like this, 52. Also doing 226, 230s. Finally, what are the prime factors? 2 into 2 into 30. That is 2 square into 30. It is only prime factorization. It is only prime factorization of composite numbers. Composite numbers. Every prime composite number is expressed here product of only primes. Next point.